So here's how to download a YouTube video thumbnail image. It's very easy to do, and there's going to be two ways of doing this. First and foremost, if you have a YouTube account, what you want to do is go into the specific video, and if you scroll down ever so slightly, you're going to see where the thumbnail section is. Tap on the three dots for the options, and from there, you can simply download it. This is good because sometimes maybe you will create the video and then you will delete the the thumbnail with it. You have no way of getting it back. That's going to be one way. Now, for example, another great way of doing this, you can get any single thumbnail you want. So for an example, I actually just clicked on this. I have it in a new incognito window, but let me open it up for you. So I actually clicked on the video, and what you're going to need here is simply the YouTube ID. It's going to be after the equals section. So I'm going to copy this, and I have a nice little notepad down here. I'm going to open it up. We're going to need to use this specific URL right here, and where I have add here, you're simply going to replace with this. So first and foremost, let me just open this up for you. I'm going to copy it and paste it in a new tab. And nothing's going to be there as expected. But if we replace it with this, let's copy that, and let's get rid of the add here, paste it in, hit enter, and just like that, we can now right click on this. We can save image as right here, and then we're good to go. So that's going to be the tutorial when it comes to saving any YouTube thumbnail image. This is good, for example, like if you have a lot of accounts and maybe you forgot the login information, or like I said before, maybe you deleted the thumbnail itself and you want to save it again. Maybe you want to save a different thumbnail to get some ideas to send to a designer, like, hey, I want something related and similar to this. There's a world of possibilities. Just keep in mind that when you are saving stuff, it is going to be other people's property, so don't go crazy with it. This is just how you can save it and do good stuff with it, of course. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. That is the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.